it's me Sato again from Mirko Cosplay, and today we're back with the second part of the Mirko Cosplay tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made her belt and her boots. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's do it. For the belt pattern I wrapped the customer in tape and stick some package tape on her. After the taping is done, I have drawn on the belt itself. Sorry for the quick interruption, but there was a problem with my video files because I have lost a bit of my video files for the belt and another tutorial. Sorry for it, because my files got corrupted and a few got deleted, so yeah, sorry for this. But I will try to explain the best that I can in the video, and actually it was just cutting it out and heat forming it and pressing the pieces in place and gluing it. Yeah, that's the main things that I made for it. And by the way, it was 1 centimeter EVA if I haven't mentioned it in the video, so yeah, sorry again. I will try my best that this won't happen again, and yeah, continue with the video now. In the next step, the pattern got traced onto some 1 centimeter EVA. The EVA got then heat formed to fit the waist. All the detail parts got then cut out, pushed halfway in and glued in place. After that, everything got a few good layers of plastic dip. And it is now time for painting. For this I tried this new spray paint, but because it wasn't so good I used some car paint in the end. All the reset areas get then hand painted with my beloved Tamiya gold paint. Now that this is done, I'm gonna add a strip of silver fox leather on the inside, and all the edges got some velcro sewn on. And this is how it looks now. For the boot covers I also taped the customer in and made these patterns. For the next steps I just followed Kinpatsu's tutorial. Here I'm gonna sew the front side of the covers together. For the underside part I folded the end over and added a top stitch. The bottom part gets now attached to the front part. parts also got folded over and sewn in place. And now we can sew the backside together. I have also added a strip to the top with a button in the front. Here are all the parts that I 3D modeled, and the front is made out of 2 parts and the back is just one big piece. After modeling, I have then printed and also sanded them. Here I'm gonna use some filler putty to remove the bigger holes and layer lines. After that it got sanded again. It is now time for some filler primer followed by some red sanding. For the small pink detail parts on top of the toes I used some thin PVC plates. These parts are 3 cm long and 1 cm wide. The edges got a little bit of sanding. I have made some patterns for the undersides, which then got copied to some leather. The leather got then a few good layers of the silver leather paint, followed by some paint protection. It is finally time for the painting, and for this I use the same car paints that I used for the belt. The small parts that go on top gets airbrushed with this pink Tamiya paint. Here I'm gonna glue some double-sided tape to the back of the leather. After everything is dry, I started attaching the leather to the underside of the parts. pink strips got glued to the top with super glue. To allow a bit more movement, I glue the two front parts together via some elastic bands. For the final step, I can now glue the printed parts to the shoe itself, and for this I use some 5-minute epoxy. By the way, for the front only the thin part gets glued on because it allows a bit more movement. And it's now time for the final review. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay, my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve on this channel in general. Or if you have any questions or suggestions what I can make next, put it also down there. And the next video will be probably Alucard from Helsing, so stay tuned for this one. And give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because everything helps and keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. So stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day and I'm out. Bye.